When you're done, you'll be able to post up on the couch and just chill and take a little nap. You're not gonna be disappointed. You're gonna like these. Buttery, creamy, and cheesy is the goal for today. It's not your traditional breakfast with sugar grits that you eat with your toast and your eggs. Nah, buddy. This is the type of sugar grits you eat when you want to fill your belly up and you want to sleep happily. Hey, my name is Jelani D. You're watching Whip Something Up TV. So place all the seasonings in the bowls around. I gotta leave the tail on for the shrimp so that I can take the shrimp and dip it down in the grits and get the nice creamy, delicious, gooey bite that I want. Alright, so it's time to cook the shrimp. We're gonna put that in the cast iron skillet as well. Gonna add that to the mix. I'm gonna give this a stir until it gets nice and creamy. Shrimps is ready. Gonna bring this to a boil. So now we're gonna add in our 1/4 cup of grits. Of butter. About half of this cheese. This is the cheddar Monterey Jack. Gonna put on a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. I tell you, man, a 1/4 cup of grits goes a long ways. The sauce around it. one hand, the spoon, give me a dip. Then I'm greedy, so I'm gonna dip again. The recipe for you guys. Put the recipe on my website, whipsomethinguptv. I want to thank you guys for joining for the shrimp and grit. Please subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I'm Jelani D. You're watching Whip Something Up TV. Eat until you're full.